This is the steering damper kit for the FL Softail, FX Softail with a bottom mount headlight, and also Dyna models with a bottom mount headlight. We're showing you how to install this on a FL Heritage model, but it also fits FX models. So first off, you gotta take the top bracket off, top bolt off where your highway bar is. Mount the supply bracket with a washer to the top of the highway bar and the frame. Put the nut in the back of it. And tighten it down. Next, we're going to take off the brake line clamp. After the brake line clamp is taken off, we're going to take off the headlight mounting bolt. This is the supplied hardware and bracket, and you stick the bolt through it like this, and with the sleeve, and you stick it through the headlight mounting hole. You secure your headlight. Next, we're going to secure the bottom of the triple tree with the bolt from where you just took off the brake line clamp from. First, we need to put the bolt included through the bracket, through the clamp, and use an Allen key and screw it into the bracket. And secure it with a lock nut on the other side. Now we're going to put the damper through the clamp. Make sure it fits nicely in there. And we are now securing the heim joint with the screw on the bracket under the triple tree. And secure it with a lock nut at the end. With the steering damper securely mounted, you're going to turn the bike all the way to the right and leave about a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch of travel on the damper. After you have left a 1/4 inch or an 1/8 inch of travel, now we could fasten down the clamp that's holding down the damper with the Allen screw. This is what the steering damper looks like when now it's mounted, and there's nothing in the way, mounted horizontally. It is also adjustable. You turn it clockwise for it to be stiffer and counterclockwise for it to be softer.